approach can we take to build lean tissue without embarking in this bulking mindset, which is often very dangerous and a bit of a slippery slope that can lead to a lack of control around our diet and around our nutrition. I see it very often with me, and I see it I felt this very often in the past. When I used to bulk, it would become almost overly aggressive, and I've seen it in clients and I've seen it in colleagues that I used to work with as well, that it would almost become an excuse to overconsume, overeat, and get slightly fluffy around the edges when it comes to our training, our fitness, our lifestyle. And you really don't need to bulk or approach the journey with this kind of mindset to make great progress, okay? If we're going to replace the old approach that we've been taking, perhaps on our own, to building muscle, which is to bulk, gain excess body fat, and then have a journey where we have to go on to strip that back down again, what do we do instead? Okay, well, step one then is all about being able to establish and understand what our true maintenance level is when it comes to calorie intake. Okay, so we remove the guesswork. We take a little bit of a measured approach, or hyper measured approach if we need to, even for a short period of time, to understand exactly where we are from a calorie intake perspective and how that is serving us as well. And it does come from, unfortunately, tracking our foods, tracking our intake, tracking our weight, and tracking our look in the mirror as well, and understanding exactly whether our body composition, weight is changing in line with the training that we're doing and the stimulus that we're putting in, but in line with our lifestyle and our nutrition as well. And then once we've established this, we introduce a controlled small surplus. We eat for performance first. So of course, protein does need to be high, 2.2 grams per kg of body weight as a target. We have our carb and fat intake set optimally as well, with carbs timed around training, and really we fuel our output, not our appetite. Okay, that's so important that we are measured and we are continuing to consume our target level of foods to support the activity levels that we know we are doing and we have in plan, and we are not reactively eating towards our own appetite levels.